Have you ever wondered what your body would look like if it were drawn the way your brain actually senses and controls it? Well, let me introduce you to the homunculus, a word that literally means little man. But trust me, he's anything but little where it counts. Imagine a quirky, cartoonish figure, hands as big as dinner plates, lips that could give a goldfish a run for its money, and feet so tiny you'd almost miss them. That's the homunculus, the brain's way of mapping out which body parts get the most attention. There are actually two versions living in your head, the sensory homunculus, the motor homunculus. The sensory version shows which parts of your body are the most sensitive to touch, like your fingertips, lips, and tongue. The motor homunculus maps which areas your brain uses to control movement. Again, mostly your hands, face, and mouth. It's like your brain is playing favorites. But why is this little dude so bizarrely shaped? Let me tell you a quick story to make it stick. Once upon a time, in the vast, mysterious castle of the cerebral cortex, a strange little creature called the homunculus ruled over two kingdoms. The somatosensory kingdom, the motor empire. His hands were enormous, lips were puffed, and feet, well, they could barely carry his body. Each day, messengers from the fingertips, tongue, face flooded his throne room, eager to report every sensation. Warmth, pain, pressure, you name it. But those from the back or thighs had to wait their turn, sometimes all day, because the homunculus's attention was limited. His odd shape wasn't a mistake, it was the curse of functionality. The more a body part did, like feeling delicate textures, making intricate movements, the bigger its voice in the brain, and the bigger it became in the homunculus's world. So, the next time you pick up a pen, eat a snack, run your fingers along a soft fabric, remember, your brain has a map, and it doesn't treat every inch of you the same. The homunculus is a living reminder that we're wired for precision where it matters most. The homunculus reminds us the brain prioritizes sensation and movement. Hands, face, mouth get the spotlight. Key takeaways. 1. Brain map is distorted. 2. More use equals bigger representation. 3. Hands and face lead.
Do you want to see your homunculus? This is it, the strange little creature that lives inside your brain. Meet your homunculus. It's not a real being, but a brain map, showing how much brain power each part of your body gets. Big hands. That's because your brain needs fine control for everything from typing to painting. Huge lips and tongue. Speech and sensation take up serious space in your mind. Legs and back look tiny here, because they don't need as much detail or control. This little creature reveals what your brain cares about most. We all have a homunculus. It's weird. It's brilliant. And it's all in your head. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more health educational videos. Stay healthy and stay informed.